If you're about to take your driving test for the very first time, here's everything you can expect on the day. First, you'll head into the test centre and take a seat in the waiting room along with your instructor. If you're using your own car or someone else's, then it may just be you. Use this time to relax and collect your thoughts before the test. Your examiner will then enter and call out your name. Next, they'll ask for your UK provisional licence to check, along with confirming details such as your full name and address. Remember guys, it's really important to bring your provisional with you as the test won't go forward if you don't. Once that's done, the examiner will then ask you to read and sign the insurance and residency declaration. They'll then ask if you'd like anyone such as your instructor present on the test as well as for the debrief. Then it's time to head outside. First up is the eyesight test. The examiner will ask you to read out a number plate from 20 metres away or 20.5 metres for an old style number plate. The eyesight test must be passed in order to progress with the test. You'll then both make your way to the car. Normally this is where the examiner will ask you to do your tell me question, and the show me question will be asked later on the drive. Then it's time to get in the car and start your test. Stay tuned for part 2 to find out what happens on the drive.